The number 4 on the list is
the HappyBuy automatic electric wire stripping machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed for the purpose of wire stripping, making it an excellent choice for various applications, particularly in scrap copper recycling. This compact and portable machine is finished in an attractive blue color, which not only adds a touch of style but also makes it easily recognizable. This wire stripping machine is compatible with a wide range of wire diameters, ranging from 0.05 inches to 0.98 inches, which provides users with the flexibility to strip various types of wires effortlessly. Its automatic operation ensures convenience and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for individuals and businesses seeking to streamline their wire stripping processes. The device's efficiency lies in its ability to quickly and accurately strip wires, enhancing productivity and reducing manual labor. This wire stripping tool is a valuable asset for those involved in scrap copper recycling, as it helps maximize the yield and profit from such operations. Whether you're dealing with thin or thick wires, the HappyBuy electric wire stripping machine is a dependable and user-friendly choice for wire stripping needs. In summary, the HappyBuy automatic electric wire stripping machine, featuring a striking blue design, is a versatile, user-friendly tool suitable for wire stripping tasks within the 0.05 to 0.98 inch diameter range. Its automatic operation enhances efficiency and productivity, making it particularly valuable for scrap copper recycling applications, where maximizing yield is crucial. This compact and portable wire stripping machine simplifies the process and is an excellent choice for both individuals and businesses seeking a reliable wire stripping tool.
the number 3 on the list is
the HappyBuy automatic electric wire stripping machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify the process of wire stripping. This compact and portable machine is an essential addition to any workspace, ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It comes in an attractive blue color, making it easily identifiable in your tool collection. This wire stripper can handle a wide range of wire diameters, from 0.05 inches to 0.98 inches, making it suitable for various scrap copper recycling projects. Its flexibility in wire size compatibility ensures that you can efficiently strip wires of different thicknesses with ease. This capability reduces the need for manual wire stripping, saving both time and effort. One of the standout features of this machine is its automatic operation. It simplifies the wire stripping process, as it's designed to handle the task with minimal user intervention. This feature significantly improves efficiency and precision, allowing you to strip wires quickly and consistently. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a larger-scale recycling endeavor, the HappyBuy wire stripping machine is a reliable and convenient choice. With its user-friendly design, durability, and ability to accommodate various wire sizes, the HappyBuy automatic electric wire stripping machine is a valuable tool for anyone involved in wire-related tasks. It streamlines the wire stripping process and promotes efficient scrap copper recycling. Its blue color not only adds a touch of aesthetics to your workspace but also ensures that it remains easily identifiable, making it a practical addition to your toolset.
the number 2 on the list is
The RIEDHOFF automatic wire stripping machine is a versatile and highly efficient tool designed for handling wire stripping tasks with remarkable precision. This machine is capable of stripping wires within a wide diameter range, making it suitable for various applications. It accommodates wire sizes from as small as 0.06 inches up to 0.98 inches, which allows it to handle a diverse range of wire gauges. One of the standout features of this wire stripping machine is its high-precision capabilities. It ensures clean and accurate wire stripping, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the wires being processed. Whether you are working with 7/0 AWG wires or those as large as 15 Aruban florins, this tool provides consistent and reliable performance, making it suitable for both professional electricians and individuals engaged in scrap cable copper recycling. The RIEDHOFF automatic wire stripping machine is designed to streamline wire stripping tasks, significantly reducing the time and effort required for such operations. Its automation features help users work more efficiently and with less fatigue, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or recycling facility. The precision and consistency it offers make it an essential tool for professionals who need reliable wire stripping, ensuring minimal waste and maximum productivity. Whether you're working with a variety of wire sizes or aiming to recycle copper from scrap cables, this electric wire stripper offers the versatility and precision you need to achieve your goals efficiently. With RIEDHOFF, you can count on high-quality wire stripping that enhances the value of your work and helps you achieve better results in your projects.
The number 1 on the list is
the VEVOR electric wire stripping machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed to streamline the process of wire stripping. With its automatic functionality, it can handle wires ranging from 0.06 inches to 0.98 inches in diameter, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. This machine is powered by a robust 180W motor, enabling it to strip wires at an impressive speed of 60 feet per minute, ensuring both productivity and time savings. One of the standout features of this wire stripping machine is its visible stripping depth reference. This feature provides the user with a clear and precise indication of the stripping depth, ensuring accuracy and preventing potential damage to the wires. This visual reference makes it easy for operators to set the machine to the desired depth for consistent and reliable wire stripping. The VEVOR electric wire stripping machine is particularly well suited for copper wires, as it can strip them effortlessly. Copper is a commonly used material in electrical applications, making this machine an essential tool for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals working with copper wires. Its efficiency, adjustable wire diameter range, and visible depth reference all contribute to a user-friendly and reliable wire stripping experience. In summary, the VEVOR electric wire stripping machine is a high-powered and versatile tool that automates the wire stripping process. Its broad wire diameter range, impressive stripping speed, and the added convenience of a visible stripping depth reference make it a valuable asset for anyone dealing with copper wires. This machine is designed to enhance productivity, precision, and efficiency in wire stripping tasks.